Hey everyone, want to enjoy your TV with wireless headphones and zero audio delay? You are in the right place. Today on Best Product, we are checking out the best Bluetooth receiver transmitter that can turn almost any TV into a wireless audio hub in minutes. Let's get started. Meet the 1Me B06T6 Bluetooth receiver transmitter. This compact device is designed to upgrade your home entertainment system without replacing your current TV or speakers. It works as both a receiver and a transmitter, which means it can send audio out to Bluetooth headphones or receive audio from your phone and play it through your speakers. One of the biggest advantages of the 1Me B06T6 is its wide compatibility. It connects to nearly 99% of TVs using AUX, optical, or USB ports. Whether you have a brand new smart TV or an older model, this device is built to fit right in. You do not need special equipment or complicated adapters. Just plug it in and you are ready to go. Setup is simple. Thanks to its clear screen display interface, the screen gives you visible guidance while pairing devices. Instead of guessing or dealing with confusing signals, you can actually see what is happening. This makes it especially helpful for middle-aged users or elderly family members who prefer easy-to-read instructions and a straightforward process. Another standout feature is dual link capability. The 1Me B06T6 Bluetooth receiver transmitter can connect to two Bluetooth headphones at the same time. That means two people can watch the same movie or show together without disturbing anyone else in the room. It is perfect for late-night viewing or shared listening without extra wires. When it comes to sound quality, this device really delivers. It supports aptX low-latency technology, which reduces audio delay. This is important when watching videos or playing games because the sound stays in sync with what you see on the screen. No more lips moving before the audio catches up. It also supports aptX HD, which provides rich and detailed sound with clear highs and deep bass. The listening experience feels more immersive and enjoyable. The 1Me B06T6 runs on upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology. This means you get a stable and reliable connection with less interference. It can maintain performance up to 30 meters, giving you the freedom to move around the room while staying connected. You can grab a snack or relax on the couch without worrying about losing signal. Design-wise, the device is compact and clean. It fits easily into your entertainment setup without creating clutter. The simple layout and display screen give it a modern and user-friendly feel. Small device, big upgrade. If you want wireless freedom, shared listening, and high-quality sound, this is a smart addition to your setup. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.